Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to find a TikTok user without username. So to do this, firstly, this person we are talking about, you might have as his phone number or his Facebook account, or you might be friends on Facebook. So to do this, what you have to do is just open your TikTok app on your phone. So when it finishes loading, the next thing for you to do is just to click on profile at the bottom right of the screen. So when done, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the button at the top left of the screen, as you can see right here. Click on it. So when done, as you can see, find contacts. So any contact, if you have the person contact on your phone, you can also click on find contacts. Then when you keep on scrolling down, you see all the contacts, all the phone number on your phone. You see that contact right here, which are on TikTok, as you can see. So if you can't find this person right here, if you have the person as friends on Facebook, you can just click on find Facebook friends. So click on it. Then it will you have to synchronize it. As for me, I've synchronized it, that's why I bring it out right now. But if you haven't synchronized yet, you just have to click on synchronize, then it will bring it out. You can then scroll down and look for the button which you are looking for. Another method to do this is just for you to use the search button. So let's say, for example, you know the person's username or you know what the person do on TikTok. So there's a guy that used to do push-up stuff on TikTok. So you can just click on the search button and use that to search for the person. Let me just use Adam push up guy. Push up. Okay, for kid, push up kid. Then push up kid. Yeah, let's click right here.
Excuse me, if your
As
son
you
can
can
do
see,
10 push-ups right now, I'll pay for all.
there is the guy which I'm talking about. So you can just use all those clues to search for the person without his username. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.